Students, this week we have read The Boy Who Cried Wolf, and we have worked on the sequence in the story. So today you will be taking 6 pictures and putting them in order, the sequence of the story. The way that you do that in this particular venue in Schoology is you take and grab a picture and put it over here, and when you see the box that you want turn blue underneath the picture, then that is where that picture will go. So again, drag the picture over the boxes, and the box that you see turn blue underneath the picture is the one that the picture will go into. Once you do that, that doesn't mean that you can't change it around. So look at the pictures carefully and then put them in order. And you can always put them in order down here at the bottom first if you'd like, and then drag them up in order because they are larger down at the bottom, so you can see the order that you want them in first before you put them in the little boxes to the side. And then when you are done, this is the only question on this Schoology assessment, because it is in assessments, then you are done putting it in sequence.